iDoneThis is a productivity and time management software that promises to help you track your progress, stay organized, and boost team performance. But is it really worth buying? In this video, I'll walk you through 12 things you need to know before you decide, and we'll also see how it stacks up against some of its competitors. First off, iDoneThis is great for individuals and teams looking to track their daily tasks and achievements. It's a simple tool that helps you record what you've done every day, and it can keep everyone on the same page. However, if you're used to more detailed project management tools like Asana or Trello, you might find iDoneThis too minimalistic for larger, more complex projects. Next thing, iDoneThis offers a feature that lets you easily track progress by sending a daily email with a recap of what you've accomplished. This is perfect for people who want to stay accountable without opening a full-fledged project management app. But if you need more customization or real-time collaboration, you'll probably want to look elsewhere. The third thing to consider is pricing. iDoneThis has a free plan, but it's limited in features. The paid version starts at $10 per user per month. Compared to tools like ClickUp, which offers a lot of free features, iDoneThis might seem a bit pricey for what it offers. Next thing, simplicity is iDoneThis's strength, but it can also be its weakness. The interface is straightforward and easy to use, but it lacks the depth that many other productivity tools provide. If you're managing multiple projects with a lot of moving parts, you may find iDoneThis too basic. Now, let's talk about integrations. iDoneThis integrates with popular tools like Slack, Google Calendar, and Zapier, which is great for teams already using those platforms. However, if you rely on a broader set of integrations, you might feel limited compared to alternatives like Monday.com, which supports a wider range of third-party apps. The sixth thing to consider is the mobile experience. iDoneThis offers both iOS and Android apps, which is nice for users who need to track tasks on the go. But if you need a more feature-rich mobile app, something like Todoist or Trello might be a better fit. Next thing, one of the standout features of iDoneThis is its team insights. It shows you how much progress your team is making, which can help keep everyone motivated. However, if you're looking for more in-depth analytics and reporting, you'll find more advanced options with tools like Rike or Microsoft Planner. The eighth thing is the focus on daily check-ins. While this can help with accountability, it may feel repetitive after a while. Some users prefer having a broader view of their tasks and deadlines, which tools like Notion or ClickUp offer with more flexibility. The ninth thing, iDoneThis does have task reminders, but they are pretty basic. If you're someone who needs more detailed task scheduling and notifications, you might be better off with a tool like Todoist, which offers more granular control over reminders and deadlines. The 10th thing to keep in mind is security. iDoneThis does offer basic security features, but it's not as robust as what some competitors provide. If you're working with sensitive data, you might want to look into more secure options like Basecamp or Asana, which offer higher levels of data protection. Now, let's talk about the customer support. iDoneThis provides decent support, including email support and a help center. But compared to some other tools like ClickUp, which offer live chat and more personalized assistance, iDoneThis's support can feel a bit limited. The 12th thing to mention is its overall usefulness for teams. iDoneThis shines when it comes to small teams or individuals who need to quickly track their daily achievements. However, for larger organizations with complex workflows, you might find that tools like Rike or Monday.com offer more robust solutions for scaling your productivity. Overall, iDoneThis is a solid option for those looking for a simple way to track their daily tasks and progress, especially for smaller teams. However, if you're looking for a more feature-rich and scalable solution, or if you need deeper integrations and analytics, we recommend checking out a tool that's a better fit for your needs. We've got a great solution that you can try for free. Just check out the link in the description below.